Hello everyone, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Golden color. This is golden color. Lemon color. Black color. Red color. White color. Light green color. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स एंड नंबर्स। A for apple. B for ball. C for car. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. One, two, three, four, four. E for eraser. E for eraser. F for fish. F for fish. G for gun. G for gun. H for hand. H for hand. Five. Five means પાંચ. Six means छः. Seven. Seven means सात. Eight. Eight means आठ. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, F, G, H, 5, 6,